Navigating the harbor maintenance fee, understanding its role in customs clearance. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the harbor maintenance fee, HMF, and its significance in customs clearance. The HMF is a fee charged on certain imported and domestic cargo for the maintenance and improvement of U.S. harbor facilities. Understanding the HMF is essential for importers and customs brokers to ensure compliance and understand the implications on cost. So, let's dive in and explore what the HMF is and why it is charged for customs clearance. Definition of the harbor maintenance fee, HMF. The harbor maintenance fee, HMF, is a fee assessed on imported and domestic cargo handled at U.S. ports. It is designed to fund the maintenance, improvement, and dredging of harbor facilities, channels, and waterways to ensure safe navigation and efficient port operations. History and authorization. The HMF was established by the Water Resources Development Act of 1986 and authorized under the Harbor Maintenance Trust Fund, HMTF. The fee is collected by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, at the time of importation or domestically when cargo is moved between U.S. ports. Fee calculation and rates. The HMF is calculated based on the value of the cargo and is currently assessed at a rate of 0.125% of the cargo's declared value for ad valorem cargo or at a flat fee of $1.25 per metric ton for non-ad valorem cargo. The specific rates may vary depending on applicable legislation and trade agreements. Exemptions and exceptions. Certain types of cargo and shipments are exempt from the HMF, including cargo destined for an immediate export or transported under the Foreign Trade Zone, FTZ, or in bond status. Additionally, the HMF may not apply to certain vessel types, such as those engaged in foreign trade. Funding harbor maintenance activities. The revenue generated from the HMF is deposited into the Harbor Maintenance Trust Fund, HMTF, which is used to support harbor maintenance activities, including dredging, infrastructure improvements, channel maintenance, and other navigational projects. Objective of maintaining harbor facilities. The primary objective of the HMF is to ensure the proper maintenance, dredging, and improvement of harbor facilities to facilitate safe and efficient navigation for vessels entering and exiting U.S. ports. This helps to maintain competitiveness and support economic growth for maritime and port-related industries. Collaboration with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers plays a crucial role in implementing harbor maintenance projects funded by the HMF. They are responsible for planning, designing, and overseeing the maintenance and improvement activities in coordination with port authorities and other stakeholders. Impact on customs clearance process. The HMF is one of the fees collected during the customs clearance process. Importers or customs brokers are responsible for accurately declaring the value of the cargo and ensuring the payment of the HMF to avoid delays in customs clearance. Payment process. The HMF is typically paid by the importer or their authorized customs broker at the time of filing the entry summary documentation. The payment is made to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, directly or through an authorized payment processor. Record keeping and documentation. Importers and customs brokers are required to maintain proper records and documentation related to the payment of the HMF for a specific period, as stipulated by customs regulations. These records serve as evidence of compliance during audits or verification processes. Compliance assessment and reporting. Importers and customs brokers must assess whether the HMF applies to their specific imported cargo and calculate the fee accurately. They are responsible for reporting the HMF payment correctly on the entry summary documentation submitted to CBP. Budgetary considerations. The HMTF is subject to appropriations by Congress, and the allocation of funds is determined annually. Adequate funding and allocation practices are crucial to ensure that harbor maintenance projects receive sufficient resources to meet the demands of maintaining and improving harbor facilities. Transparency and accountability. The HMTF ensures transparency and accountability in the use of funds generated by the HMF. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and other federal agencies involved in harbor maintenance projects provide reports and updates on the allocation and expenditure of HMF revenues. Economic and trade implications. A well-maintained and efficient harbor infrastructure has a direct impact on the cost and competitiveness of import and export activities. The HMF helps sustain the capacity and functionality of U.S. ports, supporting trade growth and ensuring a smooth flow of goods. Collaboration with service providers. Importers and customs brokers can collaborate with service providers, such as freight forwarders and transport companies, to ensure the accurate assessment and payment of the HMF. These partners can offer expertise and guidance on customs procedures and fee calculation. Legislative updates and changes. Importers and customs brokers should stay informed about any legislative updates or changes related to the HMF, including adjustments to fee rates or exemptions. Regularly reviewing official sources and consulting with experts can help ensure compliance with current regulations. Potential future developments. The ongoing need for maintaining and improving harbor facilities, along with changing trade dynamics and infrastructure requirements, may lead to future developments in the HMF. Monitoring future legislation and policy changes is crucial to understanding potential impacts on customs clearance processes. Compliance with other countries' harbor fees. In addition to the HMF, similar fees may be charged by other countries to fund harbor maintenance activities. Importers and customs brokers should be aware of these fees when engaging in international trade to ensure compliance with the regulatory requirements of all involved countries. Collaboration with customs brokers. Working with experienced customs brokers can help importers navigate the complexities of customs clearance, including the accurate assessment and payment of fees such as the HMF. Customs brokers possess the necessary expertise to ensure compliance and facilitate the smooth customs entry process. Thank you for watching our video on the Harbor Maintenance Fee, HMF, and its importance in customs clearance. We hope this information provided a better understanding of the HMF and its role in supporting harbor maintenance activities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage and international trade. See you in our next video.